Do we really know our hearts? Do we really understand how we feel when we react to things? Are the feelings authentic, or are they generated by thoughts and then the feelings come later? It's hard to say. Right now I hear a dog barking. It's a small little terrier, and I hear birds chirping, and I have an emotional response to those things, but it's not one that I really can process into something that means anything concrete. Now, if I sit around and I think about the way the dog is barking all night or all afternoon, and how it's doing this or that to my life, then those thoughts start to churn up feelings, and those feelings are not necessarily the original feelings. They are ones that I have created through the action of my mind and through repetitive, and I would say kind of obsessive thoughts and thinking. So one of the things that we're attempting to do in the Heart Journal is to work through the process of actually feeling, understanding the feeling, and feeling in response to thoughts. So thank you very much for having the patience to work through these different activities. We'll have more to work with and more ways to actually analyze what we've created.